Imagine having a virtual guardian who tirelessly watches over your entire IT infrastructure, ready to alert you at the first sign of trouble. That's exactly what Nagios offers you. A powerful open-source monitoring system designed to give you peace of mind. With Nagios, you gain real-time visibility into your network, servers, applications, and services. We will show you how to add Nagios, one of the best monitoring systems for your Proxmox infrastructure. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the brilliance of this video. Now, without further ado, let me introduce you to our Proxmox expert, Nico. Please note that Nico has a charming Dodecanese European accent, but fear not, he speaks the Queen's English fluently. Over to you, Nico.
Thank you, Josh. Hi there. Today, we are going to do something interesting. We are going to install Nagios, which is one of my favorite server monitoring programs, into our Proxmox environment. But before we start, you may want to ask the question, what is Nagios? Well, Nagios is an open source monitoring tool. It oversees systems, networks, and infrastructure. It alerts users to potential issues. It monitors network services, host resources, and server components. Ensures reliable performance and quick response to problems. Now, we use Nagios at work to monitor software that we deploy to web servers. The instructions for this video is on this blog page, and please find the link down below. We are now going to start with the basic installation. All these instructions will get Nagios working on your server. I've created this LXC container. I've called it Nagios. So let's connect to its console. Login as root. We will now follow these instructions here. Since it's already logged in as root, we don't need to say sudo. We will run apt update and upgrade. Okay, this machine is fairly up to date as we recently created the LXC container. You will now install Apache 2. This is the command. We have already installed Apache, so in our case we didn't need to do anything. In your case, you need to wait until the installation has completed. You will now enable the Apache as a service. This is the command. We will now start the Apache service. And we will then check the status. And you can see Apache is running and it's enabled. So that's fine. We will now run this command to install Nagios core as well as the plugins. We wait for this to end. Let's clear the screen. Now we need to restart Apache. We will now enable Nagios 4. We will start it. And we will check the status. And this is a good sign. Nagios 4 is running and it's enabled. What we need to do now is check the IP address of the server. IP space A. And we're looking for this section here. And there's the IP address there. So it's ending in .85. We should be able to use this IP address with /Nagios 4, like we have in the browser here. So let's go to the browser. Let's open this link and you can see Nagios has started. Click on Tactical Overview. And here you can monitor the servers. In order to add hosts, you would need to edit the configuration file so that we can add hosts to that. And in here you will have the status of the servers you are monitoring. Have installed Nagios. Please let us know in the comments down below if you would like us to show you how to configure Nagios. As you can see, this was a very simple procedure, very easy to install. We trust you will find Nagios very useful for monitoring your servers. Please subscribe to our channel. We haven't reached our target yet. And with that, back to you, Josh.
Thank you for watching this video, exploring the world of monitoring systems to install in your Proxmox server. We got to install Nagios, one of the best monitoring systems for our Proxmox infrastructure. We were surprised at how easy the installation of this software is. Running this solution in a Proxmox server is incredibly useful. If you have not given us a like, please do so. Why are you watching our videos? Please let us know. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing to stay updated with our latest content and tutorials, ensuring you never miss out on informative videos. Your support is crucial for our channel's growth.